Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cakey Cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a long curve across on top. Now let's leave a gap and let's bring it down and curve it down at the bottom. Now on top of the gap, let's add the ears by drawing two curves up, meeting at a point. Now on the sides, let's step in and let's draw a large curve out and back in like this. And then close off the bottom of the head with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. In the center, let's draw a line across, then curve it down and in on both sides, and then close it off for the nose. Now underneath, let's draw two curves down and out. And then another curve underneath for the mouth. And then inside, let's add two small bumps for the tongue. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw two large ovals on an angle for the eyes. And then let's add another oval inside on the top left corners. And that's it for the eyes. Next, we're going to hop to the top of the head and draw some sprinkles. Let's start with a curve in the center and bring it down on both ends. And then another curve at the bottom. Now let's add one more sprinkle on both sides on an angle. We'll start with two curves at the top, angle it down and out, and close it off at the bottom. Next, for the head, let's move out to the sides and we're going to draw two sprinkle whiskers. Let's start with a curve on both sides next to the eyes here. Leave a gap and let's draw another set underneath. Now for the top, let's angle it up and out. And then angle the bottom ones down. And close off the end of each whisker. And that's it for the head. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw an angle down and in. And the same thing on the right side. Now at the end, let's draw a small curve down. And then bring it out on an angle again. And now let's close off the arms with a large curve. Now inside each of the hands, let's draw another sprinkle, starting with two lines down, and close off both ends with a curve. And then on each hand, let's draw 3 small circles. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 angled lines down and in. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 angles down in the center. And then work our way out on both sides. And bring it behind the arms. Lastly, underneath, let's add the feet. We'll start with 2 lines down underneath on the left, and the same on the right. And a curve across the bottom. And that's it for Cakey Cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!